Hi, I'm Hugh Sims. I own Integrity Premium Advertising in Kentucky, and I recently purchased the RPM Revolution. It's a 10 print station 8 print head unit, and some of the reasons that I decided to do that over other brands is one, I found it to be better built than the competition, but the price was very competitive. It has all digital controls. I can digitally set the squeegee angle. I can digitally set the pressure on the squeegees and the flood bar. I can digitally set the speed of the servo. That's another thing I liked about the RPM Revolution, is it is servo driven on the print heads. It has a servo indexer that turns the print stations. It's a phenomenally built, highly accurate, it's a technological marvel, and I'm very pleased. I've had the unit about a year now, printed several thousands of shirts, all different types of print jobs, and it's very easy to use. I also like the fact that the pallets are quick release. There's just 2 levers, and they will, actually there's 4 levers. It comes off very quickly, and I can precisely place the pallet. There's a measurement chart on the back that allows me to know where the pallet is placed in correlation to the screen, and I can set that very quickly on all 10 print pallets. Another feature that the RPM Revolution offers that was very attractive to me is something that saves a lot of time in setup, and that is being able to either digitally set or teach the servo-driven squeegee how far to travel. And I'll demonstrate. Here's the normal full-length stroke with the flood bar and the squeegee. And let's say that I had an image that was about half of that. I can pull the flood bar where I want it and then set the travel on that just by pulling it and teaching it. And then I also can train the squeegee how far to print just with a couple clicks of a button. And as you can see, it has now been taught how far to stroke for the image of that particular print. An excellent feature, saves a lot of time, unique to the RPM Revolution. Another feature that you'll love on the RPM Revolution is the fact that you can digitally set the off contact, the distance between the bottom of the screen and the top of the pallet, with just a couple of clicks of the control panel. And you can do this on any print head control panel, whether you have 8, you can do it on all 8, or 12, or 16. And to demonstrate right now, we're at 0 off contact. I'm going to lift the pallet, and you can see there's no distance between the screen and the pallet that they're touching. And now I'm going to lower that lift again, because the function of changing the off contact only works when the pallets are down. I'm now going to change that to an off contact distance of 0.12. And it's making the change up here. The light is yellow when it's moving the pallets down, and then it goes green when it's ready. And so I'm going to lift it up, the pallets up, and you can now see there's the off contact is set at 0.12. There is a clearance between the bottom of the screen and the pallet, about the height of a quarter. Alright, we're now going to increase the off contact digitally to 0.25. And it's making the change. After it sets itself, I'm going to lift the pallet so you can see there is a distance between the bottom of the screen and the top of the pallet now of 0.25 inch. Very easy to use. And you can record these on your orders. You can record all the digital parameters, the off contact, the squeegee speed, the pressure on the squeegee. You can record your flash times with your quartz flash, whether it was 3 seconds or 4 seconds or 4.3. You also, on your your digital flashes, you can control the power setting, 90% of power, 95%. This is a world-class machine.